Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Monique here and I'm back with another video for you guys. If you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also be sure to press that post notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to another video of mine. Also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. Those will be all right here or they'll be in the description box down below. But without further ado, let me get into the video. So I'll be talking to you guys about this hair, showing you guys how I style it, okay? So this is a full lace wig. It's deep wave and it's from Megalook hair company. And so, you know, I plucked the fronts and everything and I laid it down with some got to be. I do also have the ghost bond, but I didn't use it for this because I feel like the got to be is just easier to, like, when you're ready to, you know, take it off, it's easier process. So I like to do that because, you know, I don't keep these on for too long before I try something else. But anyway, this is the deep wave wig and it is 20 inches. So let me see if I can show you guys. So like this. So this is 20 inches, as I said, and I did do the bald cap method and I'm really happy with how it turned out because it was pretty successful. And I've tried it like 4 times and it came out right this time. So yes, and I got a little fall lip on right now. This is, I believe it's K from ColourPop. I've had this forever, but I wanted to bring a little something different. It's, you know, it's fall time. So yeah guys, so let me just show y'all how I style this hair. You can just see the curls or the wave right now. It's like, this is how it dried over time today. I did the same routine this morning and then this is how it went over the day, and then I just kind of combed it out some too to make it bigger. But yeah, so let me show you guys how I style it. Pretty simple, y'all. Spray bottle, water. This right here is the key right here. It's the Lot of Body with coconut and shea oils. This is the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. I love this. It's amazing and it smells good. So we're gonna be using that. Yeah, it smells nice. Anyways, so I section my hair into 2 sections like this. And then I just take this first section and I'm just gonna spritz it with water. So my camera battery decided to die, so we're about to film on the iPhone. It's been forever since I filmed on my iPhone, y'all, a video on my iPhone, but the quality is pretty bump. So look, we're wetting up our hair now, as y'all saw in the last clip, and we're just gonna keep wetting it. Get it as drenched as you can, and then I'm using my little Denman brush here to comb it out. Start at your ends, move it up, make sure you got no tangles, and comb that out. Got some tangles in there. Alright, so like this, it's wet, as you can see. And then spread some Lot of Body. I even tried like a different mousse and it did not give me the same results. So I had to go back and buy this because the one that I have was done. This is just the most effective for me. So look at I just love how it defines the curls. Like no other mousse has done this for me. So you have to go back to what you're used to and what works for you. And this works amazing. Like look at this. It's gorgeous. Yes. Make sure you get the ends. And then I just like to curl it up. Look at that. That's so cute. Alright. But like this. And you guys are probably noticing on my channel that you probably are seeing a lot of hair tutorials, hairstyling videos right now, rather than the editing that you guys usually see a lot. Honestly, y'all, I don't know what other type of editing videos to do. I feel like I've run out of ideas, especially as far as intros go. So I do have one coming, a fall inspired intro tutorial, but I don't know what else. So You guys give me some feedback in the comments, you know. Let me know, because I don't know, y'all. But yeah, look at this. I must say I think I did pretty good on this this frontal. Like, I'm really proud of myself. So like, see, this is our one side and this is our other side. So you can see the difference already. This looks really good. Let's get our next side. If it's not after this video, you guys are gonna see me with some blonde. I'm trying some blonde hair again, y'all. But I really love curly hair, as I told you guys, especially for fall time, because it's been cold. Like, this hair has been saving me, y'all, because it's so cold. Just having this hair on my head, even though I do have hair, but this just feels so good. It's so soft. And it's really low maintenance, which I really love. Alright, and then add our mousse. And all the links to this hair are going to be in the description box. As you guys know, all the links, there's hair, any coupon codes or sale there might be having since it's fall. And I'll be doing an updated review for you guys, and probably show you guys another style. I want to try I'm gonna like not necessarily straighten it, but kind of like get it like a blown out state, and I'm going to do some wand curls on it. I think that'll be really cute, so look out for that. And that's it, y'all, for the products. I think y'all probably see me doing this a lot, because that's literally all you need. Look at that. And it's looking good. I might even try like, I did like a side part. What is that? It looks kind of cute, but I like the side part to be on this side. Let's try it. Let me just see how it looks. Is it cute? Let me see. Look if I did it on this side. Well, it wouldn't be like that, but I need to like wet it to get it to stay on this side, but I'm just trying to see something. Maybe in the next one I'll do that. Ooh. Let's see. Maybe in the next one I'll do that. A side part. I'm messing her up, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, but anyways, you guys see what I'm talking about. But it's all wet, and then look when it dries. Oh man, amazing. I need a little bit more for that piece I messed up. This hair feels so good, y'all. It's so soft. And it also came with a headband, y'all, and clips, and what else? I think it also came with a wig cap, if I'm not mistaken. If it wasn't, but it definitely came with a headband and like clips, like clip the hair back. So it really helped for when I was like cutting the lace around the ear tabs part. amazing. I really appreciate that. The packaging is great, y'all. I absolutely 10 out of 10 love when a hair company has nice packaging. That just makes it 10 times better, y'all. I really appreciate that. And the hair is amazing, y'all. It didn't take a lot to pluck either. Like, it was already pre-plucked, so it wasn't like the thick frontal, and you know you gotta do all the extraness. I really appreciate that. It looks really good. It looks really nice and natural, y'all. All the specs are going to be right here if I didn't say it already. And I told you guys it's going to be in the description box as well. But as you can see, it's already drying right now, and it looks really bomb. My shirt, let's see my shirt. Let me see if I can show y'all back. Let's see. And as I said, it is a full lace wig, so you can wear it up if you need to. If you just like, you know, get that back part laid down, and then you can like wear it up. I never really do that. I just always wear the hair down anyways, but if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. But this is how I slay this hair and transform it into this nice look. And then, as you guys know, it's gonna get bigger over time as it dries, and I just keep it like that until I feel like it needs to be refreshed. And that's about it. I'm loving it. Thank you to Megalook for this bomb wig. Make sure you guys go ahead and check them out in the description box down below, and let me know what you guys think. And yeah, guys, if you're new, again, if you didn't subscribe and you're all the way here to the video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Okay, thank you. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell as well, so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, journey to 50K by the end of the year. We're at 46,000 right now. I know that we can do it, y'all. 4,000 more. 4,000 more. We're at 50K of you guys subscribe to me. Oh my gosh, I appreciate all of you guys. I love all of you guys. You're the best, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.